So continuing our methods of finding out squares of numbers, today we will be learning on base method. Base method is a very effective technique, one of the best ways of finding out squares of numbers. So let us see what a base is. We take a base as any number which is a multiple of 10 or let's say a multiple of 100. Let's say we take 100 as a base and we'll try to work out and find out what are the squares of numbers nearby 100. Okay. Let's say I want to find out what is 108 square. 108 as we can see is more than 100. So how much more than 100 it is? It is 8 more than 100. 100 plus 8 is 108. So what we do is we directly find out 8 square. 8 square is 64, and then a very simple step, we add up 8 and 108 and that gives us 116. You see your answer 11664. So 108 square is 11664. Let's again revise it and see. First is number 108 is 8 more than 100. So that gives us the square of 8. 8 square is 64. The second step, very simple one, is to add 108 to 8. So 108 plus 8 is 116. 11664. Let's try it with one more number. So would it be 106 square? As you can see, 106 is 6 more than 100. So write down 6, and the square of 6 is 36. And then the next step, very simple, add the 6 with this 106. 106 plus 6, 112. You get the answer 11236. Let's again look at both the numbers once more. Let's start with 108 first. 108, our base is 100. The base is the reference point, the point from where we are comparing all numbers. So 108 compared to 100 is 8 more than 100. 8 square is 64. And when you add 8 to the number 108, it gives us 116. The answer in 1 second we can tell the answer 11664. Let's try it again. So 106 here, 6 more than 100. Our base is 100 now. 6 more than 100. That gives us 36. And 106 plus 6 gives us 112. 11236. So what would be the square of 104 be? Think again. 108, 16. 4 square is 16 and 104 plus 4 gives you 108. What about 109? 118, 81. Because 9 square is 81, and when you add 109 plus 9, it gives us 118. So that is 109 square. How much more than 100? 9. 9 square is 81, and 109 plus 9, 118. So you're getting the answer for 5-digit square answer in like 2 seconds. So sometimes we have to also work with carries when we are working with base system. So let's see an example. Suppose 112 square. It's 12 more than 100. And 12 square is 144. But here, we will not write 144. We will write it as 44 and we will take 1 as a carry. Because the base contains 2 zeros. The base, remember, is 100 here. It contains 2 zeros. So we can write only up to 2 digits. If it's got more than 2 digits, we take its carry, like 1. And the same step, like 12 plus 112, that's 124. But remember, there's a carry here. Add this 1 to this number 124. What is you get? What do you get? 125, 4, 4. 125. Let's try once again. Another number. Let's say 116. 116 square. It is 16 more than 100. And 16 square is 256. See, I'm writing 2 as a carry and 56 down. 256. And 116 plus 16 is 132. And 132 plus 2 gives you 134. So 134. 134 Okay. 116 plus 16 is 132, but there is a carry of 2. So 116 plus 16, 132 plus 2, 134. Right? What if the base was less than, the number was less than the base? 100 is the base here. And what if the number was less than the base? Let's say 96 square. Technically we say, so we have 96, which is less than 100. And how much less it is? 4. What is 4 square? 16. And we can subtract here, 96 minus 4, 92. 9216. The only difference here is that the number is less than 100. So writing down how much less it is. It is 4 less than 100. And we're subtracting. Next is adding. We're doing the subtraction step. Let's take one more number. What if it is 92 square? As you can see, 92 and 100, difference is 8. So what will be our first step? 8 square, 64. Very simple. And what will the next step? 92 minus 8, 84. 84, 64. Let's just have a look again. So now we take the number less than the base. Our base is 100. We're taking 96, which is less than the base. How much less? 4 less than 100. So straight away, 4 square is 16, and 96 minus 4 is 92. Again, let's take second example, 92. It is 8 less than 100. 8 square, 64. 92 minus 8 is 84. 84, 60. Now, then what will be the square of 94? What will be 94 square? Yes. The first step, how much less the number is from 100? So it is 6. What should be done now? Square 6, we get 36. And for first step, what then? Take the difference here, 94 minus 6 is 88. Now you can see square is 8836. So we have learned one method here, base method. There's much more to base method. We will continue this with our next videos. How to take higher bases, like what if the base is 200, what if the base is 300, what about the base being 1000. So that will cover almost all the numbers that you can work with when you're finding out the square of numbers. Thank you.